Okay, so this video is going to cover the remaining parts of the actual setup process. So if you go to affiliates and under settings, you're going to see this page, and affiliate area is basically the affiliate page, which by default, a lot of times will be created initially. So we have the affiliate area page that's already been created. We have terms of use. So you would choose your terms and conditions, and this would be the affiliate legal policy that you want your affiliates to agree to. If you don't have that, you can get that from there's different sources online which have affiliate policies where you can buy them directly from lawyers. If you go to Google and you just type that in, and down here I would leave all of these as they are. Credit last refer, we definitely want to credit the last affiliate who referred the customer. That's what we were talking about earlier. Referral rate type, that's percentage or a flat USD. So percentage would be, like 50%, and then flat USD would be a certain amount of money. So referral rate, in this case, we have percentage. We can do the 50%, exclude shipping costs from referral calculations. I would recommend doing this because if you have, let's say, physical products, you don't want to include the shipping or the taxes in the actual affiliate commission. So in other words, they get 50% of the actual revenue minus the shipping and the tax. Now, cookie expiration, that really depends on you. Enter how many days that your referral tracking code should be valid for. So if you want the max amount of time, you might want to do like 360 days or 365 or 999, a bunch of nines. So telling the system that you don't want the cookie to expire. Now, obviously, if somebody were to clear their cookies utilizing like an antivirus software, then there's nothing you really can do about that. Cookie sharing, tracking cookies with subdomains. I would leave this unchecked unless you know what you're doing. And then currency, choose your currency symbol position, the thousand separator, the decimal separator, and I would just leave these as they are. Click Save Changes, and we can move on to the next page. So up at the top, you have these tabs here, and we are at the integration tab. And you want to simply find the plugins that you're actually using. So if you're not using any of these plugins, you don't need to check any of them. If you are using, say, let's look down here, PayPal buttons, then you will want to check that. But these are basically referring to plugins. Now, if you were using WooCommerce and you had an e-commerce site that was selling, let's say, physical goods or even online courses, you would want to check that right here. So this is the integrations tab. The next tab is the opt-in form. Now, you would not need to do this unless you were giving people a certain amount of money for any time somebody referred someone. So if they referred a few customers and they just opted in, then they would get paid. So I'm not using this, so I'm going to move on to the emails tab. So this settings merely allows you to customize the email that is being sent to the affiliate. So you can upload your logo, you can choose the default template. So the default template or no template, just plain text only. You add your from name, your name here, your company name, your email. And then of course you have email notifications, notify the affiliate manager when a new affiliate has been registered, has been created. So that's basically you. So you would enter your email here and you would simply just go through here and customize all the different emails. So the next one is going to be the miscellaneous, and this will allow you to allow affiliates to register accounts for themselves. So if you want to kind of create that experience where you do everything for the affiliate, then you don't need to check this. But if you just want to give the link out and say, hey, if you're interested in being an affiliate, fill out this form, you could do it that way as well. Require approval, this just means that when somebody fills out the form, they are not going to be able to become an affiliate immediately. It requires you to actually accept them. Automatically register new users as affiliates. So I would uncheck this because that means that every single one of your users, even your customers, would become affiliates. You can add a logout URL, which is basically if they click the logout button, then they get sent to this URL. And then here's the CAPTCHA to make sure people are not spam. You can reject unpaid referrals. And a lot of these are actually just more advanced features, which you don't really need to use unless you are aware of what you're doing. Disable IP address logging. You don't really need any of that. Opt-in beta version, remove data on install. And for the most part, just the top few is needed, this one, and that's it. Moving on, we have the payout service. So it says payouts by Sandhills Development, which is the company that develops Affiliate WP. It says it allows you as the site owner to pay affiliates directly from a credit card or a debit card, and the funds for each recipient will automatically be deposited into their bank accounts. Now, in order to use this, you will have to pay for their monthly subscription, and you can find a little bit more detail out right here. So let's see here. So they charge 3% fee for Stripe if you process more than 10,000 per month. So actually there's no monthly fee. There's actually just a standard 3% fee, which is not bad. But considering that if you were to have your own Stripe account, you would pay less than 3%. So if you're going to have a large volume of sales, you might want to go the other route. But this route just makes it easier for you, and it makes it so that the affiliates are happy when they get paid immediately and straight directly into their bank accounts. So that's that right here. Enable payout service. And you can connect to the affiliate payout service here. And of course, last but not least, the last tab is Zapier, which is basically the service that allows you to automate much of your site and have WordPress communicate with other applications as well. So it says enable Zapier. You can check that here. And it says create a Zap. So enable specific Zapier triggers. You can enable affiliate triggers, referral triggers, creative triggers, visit triggers, and payout triggers. So let me explain what triggers are. Triggers are what is the initial cause. So if you think about if you drop a ball from maybe the height of you, then releasing the ball and letting it drop is the trigger. And then what happens after that, the ball just bounces around. So if then, do this basically. So if this happens, then you can do this. So affiliate triggers are the affiliate referral, when somebody refers somebody, when somebody visits, when you pay out. Maybe you want to add that to a Google spreadsheet every single time. You can do that with Zapier. So of course, when you're done, you can click Save Changes. Now, bear in mind that because this is integrating into Zapier, you will need to have a Zapier account. And I believe there is a free version, but you can't really do a whole lot with it. So there is another version as of now. I believe it's about $24 per month that allows you to create a bunch of Zaps and do all that. So unless you really need to do this, I don't think this is necessary, to be honest. Unless you really want to use automation and you want to maybe document better, then I would use Zapier. Or you could do something like anytime an affiliate signs up on the forum, then you add them to like an active campaign. So there's a variety of things you can do. If we go to Zapier.com, you can get an idea of how it works. So in other words, you can connect your apps and automate workflows. So if we were to go to apps, and if we do a search on, I don't know if, yeah, so most likely it's just WordPress, like so. But if you wanted WordPress to integrate with like Google spreadsheets, you could do that. So if we click here, you can see all the different plugins and integrations that will allow you to automate WordPress. So you can integrate it with Facebook pages, Twitter, and all of that, but that has nothing to do with affiliate programs. So unless you really need it, my recommendation, of course, is you don't really need it. So that's pretty much it as far as setting things up with Affiliate WP. Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about the different WordPress plugins that are available to you that specialize in helping you set up an affiliate program. Okay, so there are 3 that we recommend, but the first one is called Affiliate WP. And the reason why I had you map out what you wanted to see in an affiliate program is so that you can take that information and then you can go to these sites and compare and make sure that these plugins actually fulfill your initial needs or the core needs. And perhaps as you grow, does it allow you to scale? Does it allow you to grow? Or does it limit you? Because that's something that you need to think about. It's not about just finding an affiliate program that has a lot of features. It's finding one that actually fits you and that will allow you to expand in the future. So Affiliate WP is well known. It's been around for a long, long time. In fact, since like WooCommerce came out, they've been out for many, many years. So as you can see, it says packed full of features, easy setup, unlimited affiliates, affiliate tracking. So that's good. It tracks affiliate referrals, so that's good for you. Track affiliate referred visits, referrals, earnings, affiliate registration in real time without delays. So the real time reporting is awesome. So that's a plus. It says affiliate coupon tracking, so connect coupon codes to specific affiliate accounts with the affiliate coupon tracking. Okay, so that's definitely good. So you want to read through here, make sure that's something that would fit you. So that would allow us to see, okay, even though this is blue and this is something that is not necessarily needed, but it's something that we could have in the future, we know that Affiliate WP can fulfill those needs. Okay, so we scroll down further, automatic affiliate creation, manual affiliate approval. All right, so referral rate types. Choose between flat rate, percentage referral rate, types on a global or per affiliate basis or per product basis. Okay, so that would actually fit really well with what we were talking about down here, which is the payout levels. So this actually fulfills the ability to give everybody, let's say 50%, but you can also say after somebody makes a certain amount of sales, then you can increase that referral rate per affiliate. And maybe you can do it per product. But to be honest, I would just do like a flat rate for per product basis, especially if you have a lot of products. But it would kind of make sense if you were selling physical products and the profit margin was a lot different compared to another product. So that's something that you might use. But in my opinion, that gets a little bit complex because then you're telling the affiliate, oh, I can only give you, you can earn up to 50%, or you earn 30% to 50%. And to me, that just creates a lot of questions for the affiliate that says, well, what can I earn on which? So it just creates a lot of questions. But if you're fine with that, no big deal. Set cookie expiration, choose how many days the referral tracking cookie would be valid for. Okay, so that goes back to here, which we talked about lifetime commissions. We talked about a certain number of days, months, or even years. So that would be this. Most affiliates have these features anyways, but I just wanted to scroll down and show you what's available to you through Affiliate WP. Now they do have a lot of add-ons, but we'll talk about that in a different video so that you can see what you can develop as far as the core goes and what you can add on later on. So another WordPress plugin is called Post Affiliate Pro. That's postaffiliatepro.com. And this is the affiliates software here. Scroll down here. So we can see that as far as tracking goes, people have access to a good amount of data. So commissions, campaigns, and reports. So we click reports. So it's got a good amount of detail, which is good. So all impressions, clicks, unique clicks, decline clicks, commissions, conversion rate. So it gives the affiliate enough information so that enables them to make more sales and increase their conversions. Now, this one seems to be like a web application. So it integrates into WordPress, as you can see here. So it also integrates into other payment gateways as well. So that might be a plus if you want to use like a different payment gateway like PayPal or whatever. So that's an option here. Let's go under features. So we got affiliate link styles, custom affiliate tracking code, direct link tracking, multiple currencies, tracking methods, and all that. So the third one is called WooCommerce Affiliates by Yith. So this would work really well if you are using something like WooCommerce and you're utilizing that to sell either online courses or physical products or any product and service. Doesn't matter what it is, but you would need to be using WooCommerce in order to use this plugin. Yith is actually a company that focuses on a lot of WooCommerce plugins, and they have really good ones as well. So I wanted to show you this one in case you were utilizing WooCommerce. If you're not, then I recommend that you stick with Affiliate WP. But if you're using WooCommerce, then you might want to look into this one. So as we can scroll down, we've got different payment types. You can pay automatically commissions each time a new commission is issued on a specific day each month or reaching a certain threshold. So you can pay people automatically based on your schedule. So if you don't want to, worry about paying people like on the exact 30 days, then you can set this up and have it automatically pay for you. So that's good for us. So we can see here instant payouts or after refund period. In this case, it's sort of a bit of two after the refund, and it's paying automatically for you. So this is not necessarily like they get the payment the day of the sale kind of thing. So set different commission rates. So that's good. We can set different commission rates based on products and users in your shop. So that's good. That fulfills this one here, or actually this one here. So different payout levels. So we scroll down here, we see create an affiliate history for each visit, approve automatically new affiliates. You can set a time for clicks, create and assign coupons to your affiliates. Okay, so that's good. So that fits the custom coupon codes up here. And if we go back over here, scroll down, let affiliates request payments. So you could have, so they could request payment. Well, that's interesting. So affiliate from order manually. So this is also good to have. So if somebody buys a product and maybe their payment just messes up, and you as the vendor and the product creator, and you see that an affiliate, referred that person, but because the order was created manually, it doesn't give them that credit. So that's good to have, actually. So that's an add-on per se. So these are the two plugins I recommend. Post Affiliate Pro is another good one, but Affiliate WP is really good. We actually use this one, and this is good for majority of cases. And then of course, if you're using WooCommerce, then you'll want to check out this one. So in the next video, we're going to talk about the different add-ons and different potential additional features that you can tack on to your affiliate program. Hello and welcome to video number 1, and we're going to talk about starting your own WordPress affiliate system. So first things first, I want to talk about the video course as a whole, and then we'll talk about the things that you will need, and then of course we'll jump straight in. Okay, so this is obviously video number 1. Video number 2 will be the video after this one, and that will be about planning your affiliate program. So in other words, before you go out and you set up an affiliate program or you worry about like the WordPress plugins, you really need to sit down and figure out what is it in a program that you want. Or maybe you need to sit down with an affiliate and ask them, what is it that would appeal to them? Of course, we'll dive in deeper in that particular video. Video number 3, we'll talk about how to map out your affiliate funnel. So we're going to take all the information that we planned and brainstormed in video number 2, and we're going to map it out via a flowchart system. You can use a mind map software. You can use anything just to allow you to see the structure. Video number 4, we're going to talk about the different affiliate WordPress plugins that are out there and that are available to you. And of course, video number 5, we'll talk about add-on plugins. So in other words, besides the core affiliate program that should be able to track everything so that your customers, your affiliates can come, they can send, prospects to your site and then they get credited. Besides that core, there's a lot of different features that you can add on. And we'll talk more about that in that particular video. Video number 6 and 7 is going to be the setup process. So we're going to take pretty much everything that we brainstormed and we talked about in videos 2, 3, 4, and 5 and show you how to set everything up step by step. So in fact, the setup process is actually a lot easier. So once you have an idea of what affiliate program you want, then it's going to be a lot easier. Now, in terms of what you need, we're going to assume that you already have a WordPress site created already. And we're going to assume that your product or service is currently being sold on WordPress. In other words, you're using something like a e-commerce plugin like WooCommerce or a cart system. In order for the WordPress affiliate system to make sense, you have to be selling something on your WordPress site, right? If you're using a third-party cart system and you are not really selling it on your WordPress site, rather you're selling it, let's say, on a third-party site, then it doesn't really make a lot of sense. And so you really have to, if you haven't created the site yet, you really have to think, how can I sell it on the site? How can I use something like WooCommerce or something similar or a WordPress membership site and sell something on the site, if that makes sense. And then of course, last but not least, you will need to have some money to purchase the WordPress plugins. You're not going to need a lot, but you will need enough to at least get a one site license. All right, with that said, let's move on to video number 2.